Hello everyone, so a quick video on how to change a rear lens on a Outlander. This is a 2014 Outlander, but if you've got an Outlander of this shape, it's all the same really, same rules apply. So I've got a couple of screws here, Phillips, and then if I show you the replacement, then once I've got the two screws off, which is those two, there's a couple of compression push fit ones. So all I'll need to do is once I get those two off, I'll just pull this, then I should come across this. So all it is, it should be plug and play. Unplug the other one, plug this in, and that should be that. And all I need is that Phillips screwdriver, hopefully, as the only tool. So I'll just undo those and catch up with you in a bit. So there you have it. So I've pulled it out, undid those two screws and just pulled out, and there's this additional little bit here that sits within this groove. You see there? So it just came out quite easy. You know those two compression fits that I was talking to you about? That one and that one. So you can see one of them stayed in. The lower one down there has come out, so just make sure those plastic rubber inserts are still there in place, otherwise when you push back in it won't sit nice and tight and proud, so you might get some issues later on. And as you can see, there's the wire there, so I just need to pull that rubber grommet out, the seal, and I should see the connection. So there you go, there it is there. That rubber seal came out really easy. And then in terms of this connection, all you had to do is, if I can get the focus, just press the top here. You press it down like that with one hand, pull that way, and then hold the other hand with the other to get it out. And that's all there was to it. If you find that bit difficult, with all due respect, you should get someone else to do it. So before I put the new one in, I'm going to give this a nice little clean over, and then literally it's just shove that connection back in, slot that in there, a couple of screws back, and that's it. There you go, tons better. Wasn't supposed to be like a concourse, but as you can see, nice and clean. So let's get on connecting that up. So there you go, I've got it there, and it's very important, this seal, this grommet, make sure you squeeze it all the way in, and you can't go wrong, so that you don't get any moisture going in or any rainwater, etc. So it's very important. As you can see, it's nicely sealed in, so there's no water going in there. So there you go, I've slid it in, it's nice and tight there, and then all I need to do now is just line up the screws in here. So one in there, and then the other one in there. There we go. I'll sort that one out in a minute. Here you go, look. Just to show you. There. I've got to line it up. It's not quite lined up. There we go. There, it's lined up now. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. And there's the finished results. There's the old one there. Oh yes, part numbers. If you have a look, there's the part number. So this is the left hand side, so if you need help with part numbers, okay, so there you go. And I got this off eBay. It's an aftermarket one, but it cost about I think it was £70 or something like that on offer, and it's gone back up to 80 something pounds, but its range is between 65 to 80 pounds, I've noticed, depending on the season and what other voucher codes you can find on eBay, etc. But yeah, there you go, all done. Cost £80 to do yourself in literally 2 minutes. That's all it takes. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.